Hi there. Today we're visiting the city of Mendoza, capital of the province of Mendoza in Argentina. Before we go any further, I appreciate it if you could just subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Unfortunately, immigration was not too kind to us as we took something like an hour to clear these formalities. When they asked the purpose of my visit though, a single word was enough: vino. We'll be basing ourselves at a very nice hotel here in the centre of Mendoza, the Park Hyatt Mendoza. Mendoza is located in the north-central part of the province in a region of foothills and high plains on the eastern side of the Andes. This region is most famous for its wine, and we previously did a video on a vineyard and the bodega here, so let's have a look around the town itself as we go out and about in Mendoza. We'll be visiting a number of plazas and checking out the sights along the way. Our first stop and the central location in Mendoza is Plaza Independencia, which is a large, pleasant park in the centre of the city, with statues, fountains, and many shady park benches. We'll start from here and finish up with this in the evening. There are stalls selling, of course, football gear and souvenirs, and there's a marketplace that opens up at night as well. So this video was made in January 2023 when it's summer. There's beautiful clear days. There's not a cloud in the sky. It might be a little hot for some, but if you can do this tour either in the morning or the evening when it'll be cooler. For those that are brave enough, there are public transport options. There's a good network of buses, and a SUBE, there's a metro which was repurposed from San Diego in the United States. I'm not sure why we have a menorah here. If anyone knows, let me know. There's a lot of old cars here. This is a real classic. I guess it was imported into Argentina many years ago and painted in the national colours. So we'll come back to Plaza Independencia later. Now we're going to take a walk up to Plaza Espana. Each of these plazas has its own unique style, and Plaza Espana is got just loads of tiles and really nice ceramic tiles and statues and everything. During the day, most of these fountains are switched off, so I guess they switch them on at night. There is a water shortage in Mendoza, so maybe it's just part of the overall water saving initiatives. Excluding Plaza Independencia, I think Plaza Espana is one of the nicest plazas we'll visit today. There's all the wrought iron work, the carnations and the tile work will make it a very pleasant place. There's a lot of detail in the tile work. These little logos are at the corners of each of them. And there's this huge ceramic mural at the end, which, when you look at the detail and what's been done to it over the years, I'm not sure everyone sort of quite agrees on the story that it's telling. The central part of the monument depicts the coat of arms of Spain, surrounded by images of Spanish conquistadors and explorers, as well as representations of Spanish culture and traditions, such as flamenco dancing and bullfighting. Surrounding this central section are panels that depict scenes from the history and culture of Argentina, including indigenous people, the gauchos, and important figures such as Eva Perón. You can see that the faces of the conquistadors and the priests have been destroyed or scratched out. Okay, enough of Plaza Espana and the murals and everything there. Let's take a little wander down one of these shady avenues. We're heading in the direction of our next plaza. On the way we've found an ice cream shop, so let's pop in for a gelato. I guess it's the Italian influence here, but lots of really delicious looking gelatos on sale here. I think we'll go for a plain old vanilla. We sat out in the sun and finished that for a little while, then continued on walking down the street. So we came to this fountain with the water. I think it's meant to be wine, not blood. I hope so anyway. And a surf shop. No idea what a surf shop is doing next to the Andes Mountains. But anyway, so it is. The next plaza we come across is Plaza San Martin. The plaza is named after General José de San Martin, the national hero who played a crucial role in Argentina's struggle for independence from Spain. And that's his statue. So we hung out there for a few minutes and then walked over to the next plaza, which is Plaza Chile. This is probably the least well-kept park, but it's still pleasant enough. The park is named after the country of Chile next door and features a statue of Chilean General Bernardo O'Higgins, surrounded by a group of soldiers. There's the red, white and blue and the star to represent the national colours and the flag of Chile. There's a lot of shared heritage between Argentina and Chile. I guess they're like brothers that disagree a little. So after Plaza Chile, we head back around to the last of the four parks surrounding the Central Park, which is Plaza Italia. So the sign is covered in graffiti, like most things in Mendoza and Argentina, but it really is a nice park. There's a large statue in the middle of Giuseppe Garibaldi, the general who unified Italy. Not sure why it's a statue in Argentina for that, but anyway, there is. There's also a large fountain in the centre and a lot of shady benches and trellis works to give a little extra shade. Because it's January here, it's very hot. So now we'll go for a cup of coffee and then we'll go exploring the metro. So we grabbed a quick coffee here on Avenue Sarmiento, purchased a Sube card, and going to go explore the single line metro system. This is a metro that used to run in San Diego in California. I'm not sure if it was purchased or was given outright, but it's modern, clean, and just runs the single track. It's nice to ride the rails and get a look at the rest of Mendoza. It's clean, safe, efficient, so all in all a nice trip. So from here we head back to our base, grab a little siesta before we head out for the evening. So we're back at Plaza Independencia and it's evening and heading out for a stroll around the park. Everything seems perfectly safe.
¿De qué parte de Buenos Aires? De Argentina. Fuerte el aplauso para mi amigo.
There's a small night market that opens up in the park as well. Not a lot here, but nice for picking up a couple of souvenirs. Okay, that's it for our out and about in Mendoza, Argentina. Great city, can't wait to get back here. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and if you appreciate my content, hit like. Thank you very much. It really helps me out.